let's try to solve basic algebra. In that, 2x plus 3x minus 4, we can simplify this. 3 to 5, 5x minus 4. Now try to solve these three problems. First one, 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. 3x minus 5 plus 5, here minus 5, 3x 6 and 3x is equal to the second one is x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. To solve this problem, we need to take preceding value of each x values. Now here 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6. C is equal to 6. To solve this problem, we have a quadratic equation minus b plus or minus. Now here we have a, b, c values. We can substitute these values to this equation and we can find x. Now here you can see b is 5. Now minus 5 plus and b is 5 again, 5 squared, 4, a is 1 and c is 6. A is 1, minus 5 plus or minus 5 times 5, 25, and then 4 times 6, 24 and 2 times 1, 2, and then again minus 5 plus minus 1 minus 5 square root of 1 is also 1, and then if we take minus 5 plus 1 or minus 5 minus 1, minus 4 divided by 2 or minus 6 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. Now try to solve third problem. X plus y is equal to 10. I will take it as a first equation, and then x minus y is equals to 2. Now I will add these two equations. 1 plus x minus y, 10 plus 2. Here 4 plus y minus y will cancel out, and then 2x, x 2x, and 12, 2 divided by 2, x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6, and then we can find y value also. X plus 1 is equals to 10. X is 6, y is equal to 10, y 10 minus 6, y is 4, and then the result is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Now the fourth one, a number is increased by 5. By 5 is 12. Now you can find the answer for x. Is 12. X is equal to 7.